So FERL is, it kind of goes to the mantra of exposing the students to things that they're going to learn about, and so they get an opportunity to have hands-on experiences doing things that a lot of people just don't have an opportunity to do.
So far, I think my favorite project has been the Hogans, because knowing that they're going to a good cause gives me more motivation to work on it. It gives me pride in my work because I want to do well for someone who's eventually going to live in it.
I really enjoy the hands-on learning. I like doing things I've never done before and learning valuable things that I can use in the future.
My favorite part of being a mentor is watching the cadets fall short of their goals for the day, to watch them overcome that, to doing things like standing up walls and putting on shingles on a roof. The improvement that they see is amazing.
The mentors are extremely valuable, and they just have so much information that if you really take advantage of it and ask them questions about Air Force or anything in what they're doing, you're going to learn a ton. It's really great to have them here.
They really get an appreciation for the things that they're going to learn about, and just some practical knowledge. If they go on to be engineers and you're out on a job site, it's something to said when you show up on a job site, you have actually done some of the work that the people that are performing the work have done.
Be a civil engineer. This is awesome.